This is a tutorial for your straight leg release. So sometimes people start this move just as I'm starting a straight leg release. Some people do it as a progression from a cross leg release. There is a separate tutorial for that, to check that out and then see which one you work with better. I always recommend learning both because it makes you a more versatile dancer. So we're just going to go from a standing position just for now while we talk through it, and then we can take it from a front climb into a seat into a lay back. So we'll just go down to the floor just to talk about this a second. So in the straight leg release, one leg is crossed over the bottom. So one leg's on top, one leg's on the bottom. Hands come in front of your chest, and as you lean back, it doesn't really work as well from the floor as it will with the pole, but it's enough for you to see what's happening. So if I lean back and I don't take my legs with me, nothing's going to happen. Okay, nothing's going to happen at all, and I can't let go because I'd just fall. However, the point is with the legs is that you bring them up, you lift them up, and as you lift them up, the pole's making connection with more of your legs, basically, which means you've got more contact against the pole to hold you on. And then similarly, if we look at it from the arms, so if I just put my arms like that, cross them over the other, the top leg is actually crossed over, I lift, see, nothing's going to happen. So I'm really thinking about that crossover and that lock between the leg, okay? So I'll just show you what that looks like with the pole. So go from there, might spin, but it's okay because you're going to spin as well. So there, I want to take the legs with me to there, so just turn to the side. So you can see that position, the way the legs are locked. And then from there, if I feel okay, come down and I sit up to come down. Okay, you can take this into loads of other moves, but we're just working in isolation for now. So just do that a few times with your arms, just to remind yourself that you've got control of whether you fall or not. It's a little bit bendy when you first try it, but it will get better. Okay, so arms, it's the same with the legs. We're going to try with the other leg on top now, so let's do that. So back, and release, and that's your straight leg release. Gorgeous move to work with, so go and enjoy it both sides.